Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 1, Week 5, Day 5. Okay, we're going to be going much faster because this is our last day. Okay, so you're going to make the sounds and then we'll blend together. Okay. St, sk, sm, sm, sp, sw, br, cur, der, bur, ger, per, ter. Okay, so listen as I say a group of sounds, then blend those sounds to form a word. So we're going to go this way. So we go st, ick, stick, d, up, drop, sk, it, skip, g, frog. Now this time I am going to say a word and we're going to say the sounds in each word. Swim, s, w, I, m. 4 sounds. Grab, g, a, b. 4 sounds. Crib, k, I, b. 4 sounds. Spot, s, p, t. 4 sounds. Brick, b, I, k. 4 sounds. Now friends, if any of you did burr, please remember burr has 2 sounds. It's a blend. So it'd be b-er. There is no burr in the alphabet, so we have to break it apart. B-er. Okay? So I'm going to have you read these. 3, 2, 1, drop. 3, 2, 1, stop. 3, 2, 1, spill. 3, 2, 1, trick. Okay. So here we go. Let's blend this. Slam. What is the new word we need? So slam, change the ul to wa. So swam. Change the a to I, swim. Change the swa to trim. Change the to k, trick. Change the t to brick. Change the bur to stick. Change the I to stack. Change the st to track. Change the k to trap. Change the a to I, trip. Change the to skip. Change the p to skin. Change the to ul, skill. Change the sk to drill. Okay, these are words that I'm going to give you 3 seconds, and we're going to be going faster today. 3, 2, 1, frog. 3, 2, 1, brick. 3, 2, 1, block. 3, 2, 1, stick. 3, 2, 1, grab. 3, 2, 1, drag. 3, 2, 1, slap. 3, 2, 1, swim. 3, 2, 1, spin. 3, 2, 1, flag. 3, 2, 1, skin. 3, 2, 1, stack. 3, 2, 1, stop. 3, 2, 1, drip. 3, 2, 1, cross. 3, 2, 1, slid. 3, 2, 1, skid. 3, 2, 1, brads. 3, 2, 1, frogs. 3, 2, 1, mans. 3, 2, 1, kids. 3, 2, 1, dogs. 3, 2, 1, Sams. 3, 2, 1, Tims. 3, 2, 1, cats. Okay, here are our high frequency words. Let's do it 5 times. Jump, 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 jump. I jump into the pool. Move, 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 move. Can you move this big box? Run, 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 run. We will run to school. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Brad has 2 black cats. Okay, here's our story for today. Did Dan. So here's Dan. Let's see what he's going to do. I'm going to give you 3 seconds to read these. 3, 2, 1, see. 3, 2, 1, on. 3, 2, 1, it. 3, 2, 1, do. Okay, here we go. Did Dan. Okay, so you're going to go first. Okay, together. Did Dan see Don on top? So, where is Don on top? I guess he's on top of the horse, right there. Okay, now your turn again. Together. Did Dan see Nan dip it? So she is in a maybe a Chinese New Year celebration, and she's in charge of the dragon and has to make it move. That's really neat. Okay, here's the next one. So I guess he's kind of mad. Okay, here we go. Did Dan see Sam mad? Okay, your turn. Together. Did Dan see Dot tap? Okay, then we'll go over here. Okay, last. Did Dan see Dad do it? So look, this is Native Americans, and look how neat that is. I guess that's his dad. Okay, so we're going to name the 3 kinds of sentences. We have a period, that's a statement, a question mark, which is a question, and then an exclamation mark, which shows a lot of emotion. Okay, how do I know when a group of words forms a sentence? It tells who and what they're doing. Okay, and then we're going to skip that. So here's our last part. We're going to fix the sentence. Okay, the first thing I always look for is a capital. Do we have a capital here? We don't. So we're going to put 2 lines. That means it's missing. Will you fill my glass? Ooh, I hear an end mark that's not a period. Think in your head. Will you fill my glass? If you said question mark, you are correct. So it needs to look like that. Will you fill my glass? Okay, once again, first thing I look at is the capital. We don't have a capital here, it's missing. So this says the class has a big flag. So if I just say it normally, it's a statement, I'm telling you something, and we're going to put a period. The class has a big flag. Now if I'm excited, I put an exclamation mark. The class has a big flag. Okay friends, that's all for this week. I'll see you later. Bye.